Hi, I am Amrita. I am a student and today I will share my daily routine with you. My day starts early. I wake up at 6 a.m. and do some light exercises to feel fresh. After that, I take a quick shower and have a healthy breakfast, usually fruits and oatmeal. By 7:30 a.m., I'm ready to start my online classes. Classes begin at 8 a.m. I attend lectures and take notes. My favorite subjects are math and science. During breaks, I chat with my friends and sometimes play a quick game on my phone. Lunchtime is at 1 p.m. and I always try to eat something nutritious. In the afternoon, I do my homework and review what I learned in class. This helps me understand the lessons better. Sometimes I also work on projects or prepare for exams. By 4 p.m., I take a short break to relax, maybe watch a show or read a book. Evenings are for extracurricular activities. I love playing badminton with my friends or going for a walk in the park. It's a great way to unwind after a day of studying. Dinner is usually around 7:30 p.m. and I eat with my family. We talk about our day and enjoy the meal together. After dinner, I spend some time on hobbies. I like drawing and listening to music. Before bed, I plan my tasks for the next day and read a few pages of a novel. By 10 p.m., I am ready to sleep, feeling satisfied with a productive day. That's my daily routine. It keeps me busy and helps me balance studies, hobbies, and relaxation.